National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County in central Kentucky, northeastern Madison County in central Kentucky, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harris Ferry, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Clark and northeastern Madison counties, including the following locations: Goff's Corner, Right Angle, Moberly, Vienna, Olivers, Mina, Agawam, Ruckerville, Hunt, and Bybee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.